Hey, what's up guys? This year Samsung has gone above and beyond their normal flagship Plus model, releasing the Galaxy S20 Ultra. This is the S20 Ultra, one standouts in a big way. It has a huge display, a larger battery, and the most advanced camera setup we have seen from Samsung. The phone is made of glass with a metal frame. You get full IP68 protection here. On the front is a giant 6.9-inch AMOLED display, and up at the top is a punch hole cutout for the 40 megapixel quad rear selfie camera. The screen is curved on the sides. S20 has come with a new headline feature, and that's a 120Hz screen refresh rate. This means moving elements on the screen will look much smoother. Here you find under the display ultrasonic fingerprint reader. S20 Ultra has a pair of stereo speakers for your audio. As no surprise that there is no headphone jack on this phone, so you will have to use the USB-C port, and a dongle is not included in the box. The biggest benefit of the new camera system is really the higher quality zoom. This thing is a beast, offering the highest end features available from the Samsung. But are they worth the higher price tag? Let's find out in our S20 Ultra review. This is the camera that changes photography, and this is the phone that changes mobile. Introducing Galaxy S20 Ultra. Our camera brings 8K video resolution to photos, and we have built a game-changing 5G phone around it. At the heart sits our AI Pro-grade camera system with 9 times more pixels than most cameras. That means you can forget about 12 megapixel because with epic 108 megapixel photos, you can now pinch in and in. Then you can take another photo from that, and it will still be pin sharp. And when it comes to zoom, space zoom will take you place no mobile has been before. You can now zoom 10 times or an unbelievable 100 times. Yeah, for real. For low light, we have nearly tripled the sensor size to pull in way more light. So you can now shoot even more of the night. And when it comes to action, S20 Ultra brings true action cam to mobile. Super sophisticated AI balances camera movement to make every frame of video just as smooth as a feature film, so you don't miss a moment. Single takes ridiculously clever. AI captures multiple formats at once. Our 8K expertise now comes to mobile. 8K video snap will forever change photography. You can grab a 33 megapixel photo from 8K videos, and that shot will still be clearer than other cameras. With a 5G phone built around the camera, you can now share all your 8K videos on YouTube. Actually, more like seconds ago. And hyper-fast 5G means your favorite movies and shows will download in a flash.
Don't die on me! Don't die, brother! Don't you die on me!
No chance. S20 Ultra's intelligent battery management gives you the power to go on and on and on, thanks to storage going up to 1.5 terabyte. There's a room to store all 750,000 of your favorite photos. And while these photos are protected with Knox, we have added a secure processor that's dedicated to protecting your PIN and passwords too. Today, our AI Pro-grade camera system changes how you capture photos and videos. And we have built 3 game-changing 5G phones around it that change mobile. Introducing Galaxy S20 Ultra. Thanks for watching guys, and see you on the next one.